In today's video, we will try to learn interstate purchase voucher entry with GST. For interstate, we have two state dealer. So another one is we are from West Bengal state, and the another one I created from Sunday creditors from Maharashtra state. So I will try to make a transaction between these two state parties. For this, go with vouchers, then select purchase press by pressing F9, then go with supply invoice number. If you have, you can put it here, otherwise skip this. I want to put the date 01/04/2024. The party which we already created, which is SC Maharashtra. I don't want to put anything, so I'll just press enter and skip this. Then the purchase ledger will be purchased, then name of the item. I want to buy AC, so I'll select AC. I want to buy 10 AC, so I'll select 10. The rate is automatically taken because we already put the rate of AC in our item, so the rate is taken. Now press enter for two times and then select IGST. Because interstate we have to pay IGST. For intrastate we have to pay two GST, which is CGST and SGST. The full form of this Central Goods and Services Tax and States Goods and Services Tax. But interstate transaction we have to only pay one GST, which is IGST, that means Integrated Goods and Services Tax. So I will put this. I already selected the percentage of this IGST on our creation of ledger. You can check it out and then press enter. Press enter. If you want to provide GST and UA bill details, press yes. You want to dispatch and other details, you can put it here. Otherwise, just skip this. For learning purpose, narration you have to, if you want to put, you can put it here. Otherwise, press accept yes. Now we will try to check it. Come here, gateway of tally, then go with display more reports, then go with GST reports, then go with GSTR to a reconciliation. You can see there are two reconciliation we made, which is in our last video, which is made it from the SC is 100 creditors where we made a purchase of interstate, and in today's video we will try to make a interstate, sorry, the last one is intrastate and this one is interstate purchase. So we'll select this one. You can check it out, all these details. So this is for today. Thank you for watching.